Sonima from Bangalore team to demo on the CICD tool. There are a couple of artifacts that are added to the CICD tool, and first I'll go with the DX client tool, and this is a command for the DX client tool, and it will give the command line option for the DX client tool or the CICD tool. And here I'm going to demonstrate few artifacts. Now I'll go to the next pipe, and now I'll go to the command line for deploy theme. So here I'll just type deploy theme -h, which gives me the options for deploy theme command. So we have protocol to DX server, then host name of the DX server. These are the mandatory options or parameters which we need to pass while deploying the theme. And deploy theme is part of CF 192 release, whereas the previous job which I have shown, the restart DX server, was part of 193 release. And in deploy theme, it is used to deploy a theme that can be EAR based, or it can be a WebDAV based theme collection, and and it deploys the theme from one source environment to another target environment, and it also uses the theme registration XML to deploy the theme. And there are multiple tasks that can be performed, such as EAR. It can it requires a theme registration XML file, and then it is this is the theme registration XML file, and the theme deployable EAR file, and WebDAV theme collection. And WebDAV theme collection is nothing but the folder or zip is used to create or update the collection in the WebDAV file to store the DX server. So now I'll just run the DX command for deploy theme. So I have already set the command, so I'll just run this command. So I have the mandatory options. So here I'm going to deploy the theme using the WebDAV theme collection. That is for that I have provided theme path and theme name, and the theme registration XML file. I have provided the theme registration sample XML file. Also along with that I have provided the application deploy. I am going to deploy the EAR. For that I have provided application name and application file, and along with that the other mandatory options like host name, protocol, username, then DX connect host, DX connect port, DX connect username, and DX password. And for theme registration, we need, along with the XML file, we need the XML config path, and I have provided that as well. And for deploying the EAR application, along with application name and application file, we need the DXO port and the DX profile path. So I'm just going to hit the command now. So this is going to take few seconds, as it will first create the WebDAV theme collection, then after that it will deploy the EAR, then the next stage it will deploy the theme registration XML file. And in the application EAR deployment, it will first check if the application name exists, and if the application name exists, it will update the application and will be deployed inside the WebSphere application server. And if it is not present, it will deploy a new or fresh application in the WebSphere application server. and this is going to take few minutes. As you can see, the deploy theme, we have got the theme WebDAV deployment successful, theme EAR deployment successful, and theme registration successful. So I'll just go with deploy dxclient deploy undeploy theme, and now for the undeployed theme also we have the command. This is the command for undeployed theme, and I have the help command for undeployed theme with -h. So these are the mandatory parameters like protocol of the DX server, host name of the DX server, then the path to DX configuration, nothing but the XML config path, then the username, then the password, then the content handler path, then the SOAP port, profile path, DX connect host name, DX connect username, DX connect password, DX connect port, XML file, application name, then the theme name, enable backup, true or false, and output file path. So here I'll just execute this command and explain you further. So this is a command for undeployed theme where we have passed the mandatory parameter options like host name, protocol, username, password, then DX connect port, username, then application name, SOAP port, profile path, theme name, and the theme registration file. So undeployed theme command is used to undeploy the EAR file which was deployed earlier, or undeploy the WebDAV theme collection which was deployed earlier, and also it will unregister the registered theme. So I have already registered this particular theme, and now I am going to unregister this theme, and as part of this undeployed theme command, I am going to undeploy the my custom theme application, and then I am going to undeploy the WebDAV theme collection. So, and also as part of the 194 release, we have one more option which is enabled, that is enable backup true. And if enable backup is true, then the undeployed theme will take the backup of the deployed EAR theme, WebDAV theme collection, and the complete DX configuration export and place it on the backup folder. So now I'll just enable backup. Before that, I'll just go here to the WebSphere application server and will show you the application that is deployed. I have already deployed my custom theme application. So I'll just show you the application that is deployed here. So this is the application which I have already deployed. Now I'll just enable this as enable backup as true, and I'll just hit the undeploy theme command. So it will first check if the name exists for the deploy application, and if there is an application with my custom theme, it will undeploy the EAR application, as well as it will, if the name with demo, that is the WebDAV theme collection, exists, then it will undeploy the WebDAV theme application. As you can see, the theme WebDAV uninstalled successfully, and you can also see the WebDAV theme. I have enabled the as I have enabled the backup true. You can see WebDAV theme backup has been taken and placed in this particular backup folder. So it will be placed in the WebDAV folder, and you can see theme application, that is the EA of my custom theme. The backup also has been taken for that. So I'll just refresh. This is also going to take couple of minutes to undeploy the application. As you can see, I don't have an application with my custom theme, and you can see all this got uninstalled successfully. I have with this undeployed theme, I have uninstalled the previously registered WebDAV theme. I have undeployed the EAR application, and I have unregistered the theme. So this is all about the CICD demo. Thank you all.